Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priya Rathi, consultant pain specialist at Asian Ortho Spine Clinic, Aund, Pune. Cancer, which is considered to be the most dreaded condition, patients are not scared of cancer, but they are scared of cancer pain because 1/3 of the patients of cancer do have severe pain in the area of pain, or pain can be unrelated to cancer. Now, why do these cancer patients have pain? One, the pain could be related to the tumor which is infiltrating on the surrounding nerves or in the surrounding bones. Second, it could be related to the treatments like chemotherapy related pain. Patients can have neuropathy secondary to chemotherapy, or it could be radiation related pain. Radiation causes burning of the normal tissues also, which leads to fibrosis and further pain. Or it could be related to surgery. Patients can have post-surgical pain following cancer surgery, or absolutely unrelated to their cancer. Like patient can have knee osteoarthritis, or there could be sciatica. So in these patients, we can manage this pain very effectively. There has been a treatment protocol which is laid down by WHO. We call it WHO ladder, wherein we give medications according to the severity of the pain. So there is a confusion regarding, or there are myths regarding this cancer medication, like, doctor, will I be addicted to it? The answer is no. You cannot become addicted to pain medications if you are taking these medications with the guidance of doctor. Or there is another myth, like, doctor, will these medications hamper my liver and kidney function? Answer is no. If your liver and kidney function is already being hampered by the disease process, this medication's dose is being adjusted by your treating doctor, and it won't further affect your liver and kidney function. If you take these medications on your own, then definitely it is going to hamper your liver and kidney function. So don't be scared of the pain. Don't be scared of the treatment. There are multiple treatment options which are being available apart from medicines also. Like, there are injections, or there are certain physiotherapy options which are available for cancer pain. So do reach out to a pain specialist if you are suffering from cancer pain. Thank you.